Alright, we have started recording Joe's project. So, Joe, let's see what you got.
Okay. Alright, here we go. We're moving this helicopter here. We're going to be racing the biplane. And there's the biplane. It's a little laggy right now. Here he goes. I'm gonna win. I win. Okay, let's try that again. Alright, here we go. There's a barrel roll right there. Do a little dip backflip. It's laggy beyond belief. Alright. And I don't know why it's like here, I'll show you again. And goodbye plane. That guy just ejected from his seat. And he crashes right now. Bye. And one more thing, one more feature of my project. If you crash into the plane, you're done. Give it a second, this is really laggy. Alright then, and that's my project, so it's in, that's my project then, that's in Java style.